So you have to, when you're cleaning up the code and you're kind of finishing at least this part of building the website, you have to make sure that the other pages have some of the same code. So we're in the main page now. So essentially, what that kind of means is that you will often pull code from the main page. So one of the things uh, that the other pages don't have, and we'll start with package, is the main the mobile nav area. So notice it's right after header on this page, and you do the same thing for the other pages. So you copy, and we'll start with the package page, and you just got to be careful. So move and put it here and save. And then you have to adjust the links. So we're in the package, so we're here. We don't need that, but we need to adjust this, and eventually we're going to have a start hosting page, but let's do that now. Okay. And yeah, so that can link, because it has to go up one more folder, essentially. While we're doing this, and I think we still have that copied, we'll go over to customers as well, and to index customer, and we have to put this here too. Right? Yeah, mobile nav there. And we're in the customers, but we have to do that here and do that here. And save it. Always save, of course. Now we have to move the toggle button or burger button, and we have to see that it's right in front of the icon branding main header brand, a href. Is that? I think we just do this. So this gets copied. So header class main header div. All right. Header. This is up here. And after this, before this, so that's where that goes. Okay, and then you might as well, since you have it copied and pasted, might as well do that here, over here, and that goes there. And save again. Save. So let's go in and see if some of this code has appeared. So we're going to packages, and we see that, yeah, that doesn't work. Let's look. So the burger bar doesn't work. It doesn't click through. See if there's anything else wrong with it. And we have a favicon error that we can change, but let's first worry about not being able to click through. So the error is that when you go to, is that the JavaScript is not linked. We forgot to do that. So let's copy this, put that into here, right below, and then in order to get to it, you have to go dot dot boom, right? Yeah, that seems to, and then this obviously can go to customer index. Okay, hold on. I was just in packages index. Oh, I put that in customers. So now I'm in package index and I'm putting it there. So I put it both in customer and package index and customer index. So there it is. Good. So the favicon error, let's see, the favicon is linked up here in the head. So most likely have to make sure that this link connects, and you have to go like this, that, right? Favicon. And again, you have to do that for package there. Okay, we're gonna try it again, and okay, so it still doesn't work. Now let's figure out why it doesn't work. And here it looks like there's an issue with line 23 add event listener at shared.js. All right, so it's a JavaScript issue. So that means we have to go into the JavaScript. Now, so this works because this doesn't relate. So it's 23 that does not work. So we can leave this alone because this just runs through all the arrays, and that doesn't really affect number 23. So modal no button, that needs to be fixed. And what you do is wrap that in a if statement. So if, and I guess this is called a no button if that happens, then this happens. So this is an if and then kind of statement, so a conditional. So if modal button, then I think we just put it here. Yeah, that's it. So we start with that and wrap that in an if statement. So let's see if that works, if that fixed it. Yes, awesome. But let's double check. Okay, let's see if there's any other errors. So I did find one more tiny error, and I had to again, it was a modal related error, so I had to hold on. Let's see. Close modal. Let's do this. If modal, I had to create another conditional. And this is the old code too. I have to take this out, leave this in here. If modal, this happens and this happens, and it closes. And this can stay though, because we're working with the back class list now. And we covered in the previous remove. Open. All right, and it's still in these brackets. So that should make it click if yeah, we can close. That will allow it to close. Hey, doggy. Is that right? Yes. So that cleans up all the code, and that's the end of this particular tutorial. And in the next tutorial, we will work on another way of manipulating through JavaScript.